She's gonna get the moth. She's gonna get it.
Motherfucking moth. He's not even scared. I'm a cat. Meow! Oh my god. This is ridiculous. I have to get this moth now. I can't let my cat brethren know that I'm a failure as a moth killer. I'm gonna die. I shouldn't be doing this at all. Oh!
Oh. There he goes. There he goes.
I can't get it. It's over there. Game over. I failed. I'm not really a cat.
So, you just tried to catch the moth.
I didn't catch the moth.
So how you feel about that?
Are you okay?
I didn't catch the moth.
We'll get him next time, Daddy. Don't worry.
No. I tried to be a cat and I failed. Stupid fucking moth is right there. I can see it. I can't get it.